Welcome to Our Daily Health. Glycerin, 10 homemade glycerin face masks. If you're skincare savvy, you would be familiar with glycerin as a common ingredient in your beauty and cosmetic products. So, what is glycerin? Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a naturally occurring, clear, colorless, and odorless compound, which is gotten from vegetable oils or animal fats. It is a thick and sweet-tasting liquid. Glycerin is a natural humectant that draws water from the deeper levels of your skin and the air into the outer layer of your skin. It hydrates the skin and protects the skin against irritants. It also boosts wound healing processes. Glycerin is a natural product with rarely any side effects. Glycerin is said to mimic the skin's natural moisturizing factor, which makes it suitable for all skin types. There are many benefits that glycerin has to offer to your skin. It works with oils to make your skin soft and supple. It prevents wrinkles and fine lines and repairs skin tissue. It also boosts the penetration of other ingredients into the skin's outer layer and gives it a resilient and youthful look. You can use glycerin in several ways for your skin and face. You can use it as a face cleanser or treat skin infections. In this video, we will be sharing 10 amazing homemade glycerin face masks you can start putting to use for lustrous and youthful skin. 10 homemade glycerin face masks. 1. Glycerin and Vitamin E face mask. Vitamin E is nutrient-packed with many antioxidants, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces inflammation and gives a youthful look. This face mask will nourish your skin and eliminate wrinkles and fine lines. You will need 2 vitamin E capsules, 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Instructions: extract the oil from the capsules into a small bowl. Add the glycerin and mix thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it for up to 30 minutes, rinse off with warm water. You can also use this mask overnight and wash it off in the morning. Number 2, glycerin and rose water face mask. Rose water is another popular ingredient that has been used in beauty and food products. It is made by distilling rose petals with steam. It has potent antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it effective against skin irritation, puffiness, and redness. You will need 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 3 drops of your favorite serum, 1 cotton sheet mask. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Soak the cotton sheet mask in the bowl, apply to your face using the cotton sheet mask, leave for 20 minutes, massage extra fluid on your face. You can use this recipe up to 3 times every week. Number 3, glycerin and egg white face mask. Egg white is packed with many beneficial nutrients, including proteins that are great for your skin. It can tighten the skin and improve firmness. It also helps reduce excess oil. Glycerin and egg white is a powerful anti-aging treatment. This mask would give you soft and supple skin and impart a glow. You will need 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: whisk the egg white until it becomes frothy. Combine the egg white with glycerin and honey and mix properly. Apply this mixture to your face using a face brush. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Honey aids a proper mixture of glycerin and egg white and also helps in exfoliating the skin. Number 4, glycerin and oatmeal face mask. Oats are not just a healthy addition to your diet, it is also great for your skin. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help in removing dead skin cells. Oats contain saponins, which are natural cleansers that remove excess oil and dirt from the skin. You will need 2 tablespoons of ground oats, 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Instructions: grind the oats into a fine powder. Mix the ground oats with glycerin thoroughly until smooth paste form. Apply the mask to your skin and scrub in a circular motion. Leave for about 5 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Apply a facial toner. This mask is great for exfoliating and repair of skin cells and tissue. You can use this mask at least once a week. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Glycerin and Honey Face Mask. Honey has strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which makes it beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. It is also a natural humectant that can help keep the skin moist. This face mask will brighten and moisturize your skin and will reverse aging. You will need 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 to 3 drops of glycerin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your face and leave to dry. After 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water. Use this remedy twice a week for glowing skin. Number 6. Glycerin and Neem Face Mask. Neem is a powerful herb that has been used in the past as a remedy for skin issues because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is also rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for the skin. Plus, it is suitable for all skin types. Glycerin and Neem is a potent herbal face mask to use if you want blemish and acne-free skin. You will need 2 teaspoons of neem powder, 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Instructions: mix glycerin and neem powder in a bowl properly. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it to dry for about 30 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water for glowing and acne-free skin. Number 7. Glycerin and Aloe Vera Gel Face Mask. Aloe vera is also commonly used for its medicinal properties, which makes it great for the skin. It helps smoothen the skin and gives it a glowing look. It also helps moisturize and hydrates the skin. Glycerin and aloe vera is an excellent mask that can help nourish your skin. You will need 2 to 3 fresh leaves of aloe vera, 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Instructions: mix 2 tablespoons of glycerin with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Use a cotton ball to dab the mixture on your face. Leave it for up to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Number 8. Glycerin and Banana Face Mask. Banana is packed with many nutrients that are great for the skin. It contains potassium, vitamin B6, C, A, and silica. Silica may help boost collagen production, which helps hydrate and smoothens the skin. Banana also contains antioxidants that may protect the skin from free radical damage. You will need 1/2 of a banana, 2 teaspoons of glycerin. Instructions: mash the banana in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of glycerin and mix thoroughly. Apply the mask to your face using a face brush. Leave on for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your skin glowing instantly. Number 9. Glycerin and Lemon Face Mask. Lemon is a citrus fruit containing vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can help reduce skin damage and prevent aging. It can also act as an astringent and reduce oil and inflammation. Lemon lightens the skin and eliminates scars. Together with glycerin, lemon will help moisturize the skin and protect it from the harmful effects of UV rays. You will need 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instructions: mix glycerin and lemon juice in a bowl thoroughly. Apply the mask directly to your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Number 10. Glycerin, rose water, and witch hazel. Witch hazel is rich in antioxidants and acts as an astringent that can help remove excess oil from your skin. It can also help relieve inflammation and eliminate scars. This face mask will hydrate your face instantly. You will need 2 teaspoons of glycerin, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 3 drops of rose hip oil, 1 cotton sheet mask. Instructions: put 2 teaspoons of glycerin into a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of rose water to the bowl, add 1 teaspoon of witch hazel to the bowl, add 3 drops of the rose hip seed oil to the bowl, mix thoroughly. Soak the cotton sheet mask into the mixture. Place the sheet mask on your face and leave it on for about 40 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Glycerin is a soothing ingredient used in many beauty and cosmetic products because of its moisturizing, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory properties. It is used to treat many skin issues and improve your skin's look. Glycerin is gentle on the skin and can improve your skin health, leaving it nourished and supple. Which homemade glycerin face mask do you like? Comment your answer below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.